how to save stuff on Temu. Now let's get started. Open your Temu app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Temu account. You will land to the home page. Now from here you can pick any of the item that you want to save, or also you can search for it. At the top you can see this search box. Over there just you can type in the name of the item that you want to save. For now I'm gonna save this one, charger. Just tap on the item that you want to save. After you open the item that you want to save to your Temu account, at the top right corner you can find this love kind of icon. You have to tap on that option. After it turns red, it means that you have saved this item to the Temu account. Now you can go back. Now head towards this option of cart given at the bottom right corner. Now at the top you will find this option of wish list. Tap on it. Now over here you will find the item that you have just saved. So this is how you can save stuff on Temu. This was all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to save stuff on Temu. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.